Welcome back to the channel, friends. Today we're going to review the Nitecore Tip SE Keychain flashlight. I'm going to go over some of the features and show you guys some night shots. So this would be it. Comes with this little keychain. On, low, medium, high, turbo. And you can see, can't see on low with the light on. Medium, high, turbo. Not bad. It's pretty impressive how small it is. I mean, look at this thing. We're going to head outside for some night shots. Here we have the different brightnesses. You can see, or can't see. So there's 2. Starting to light up. There's 3. Actually not bad for a little light. And then here's turbo. That's pretty good considering how small this little light is. Alright. There's 1, 2, 3. And turbo. So we'll go through them one more time. So there's nothing. There's 1, 2, and 3, and turbo. This clip comes off. You just push. Clips off. If you don't want it, I like it. Works for belt clip. So here's what all comes with this keychain light. Get extra actual keychain instructions, charger, or charging cable I should say. Here's the box, 700 lumens max. And on the box they call that turbo mode. Otherwise there's 3 settings. So this is everything you get. I've been pretty happy with it. It's not bad, pretty reasonable price. I like this clip. If you were to, have to clip this onto the brim of your baseball cap, you could easily do that and then have light. If you had to fix something on your car or whatever, broke down, a lot of different scenarios where you could need light, but this is nice because it just clips on the brim of your baseball hat if you need to. Anyways, so this is the light. That's it. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope this review was helpful. If you like flashlights, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.